Aloha, this is Stephen Crumsey from Hawaii. If you are watching this video, I've either sent you a Facebook message reaching out to you because I'm looking to network with like-minded entrepreneurs, network marketers, affiliates, MLMers, or you've sent me a friend's request, which I thank you for, okay? In the description box below this video, you can find my Skype contact information as well as my Facebook link where you can actually connect with me on Facebook, send me a friend's request, and I'm looking to network with like-minded entrepreneurs in the online industry. All right. In this 2014, I'm a firm believer that if we can share ideas, tips, nuggets, and strategies, what's working for each other in our business, that we can all prosper. So aloha, mahalo, be blessed, and I look forward to networking with you and speaking to you really soon. Contact me right now, today, and let's get together. Let's connect. Aloha.